host, Rachael Smith with Compass up in Big Bear, and my beautiful assistants, Tammy, and Callie. And today we're going to show you 736 Irving on this 10,000 square foot lot. So come check this out with us.
Bye.
Okay, here we are at 736 Irving Lane in Big Bear City. My most favorite thing about this house is Maple Hills Trails is right here. So you've got a nice 369 mile trail system right outside your door. And this is a great little mix of old meets new. Notice all the old rock that you'll see on the front porch. And Tammy is going to show us this first floor that we walk in at. So, right here we have the living room. Vaulted ceilings and this beautiful wood burning stove. Beautiful. It's like 1930s right there. And then we're gonna go into the kitchen, and it's all updated with quartz countertops, nice appliances. Beautiful updated cabinetry. And oh, look at this. We have a hot water heater, a tankless hot water heater. So nice, you've got some upgraded appliances, but this is a really great thing to have in the mountains because you will never run out of hot water. Wouldn't that be nice?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then we're gonna go through the kitchen to this dining room. So, got a good sized dining room area. Get a little bit of a bigger table here, but just showing you for reference. And then I think we have a bedroom on the main level, right?
Yeah.
Well, let's check that out. And you do have central heating. Oh, nice, cozy master bedroom. And we even have a half bath off of here. And they do have dual pane windows with a nice view to their backyard. Very private. And a closet. The closet still needs a rod in there, but they do have a closet.
Yeah.
So next we have we have a bathroom in here, and this has been all updated. Wow. And full bathroom with a really cute little cabinet down here. This goes all the way in the wall. That's really neat. All right, let's maybe check out upstairs. Oh, what's this? A closet. All right, so Addie is going to show us the upstairs. Oh, very cute. You can see over the balcony. You've got a nice skylight up here.
And a closet.
And a closet too. A little closet. They use all the little space up here. Really good. So,
I recommend you don't put your little kids up here.
yeah, probably not. Get a little higher railing right there. And now we're gonna go see this third bedroom. and see what Cali has to offer. So 3rd bedroom. And this goes to the outside. So here is from the kitchen area all the way over to the garage area. So it's a 10,000 square foot lot. And the garage is a 2-car garage. Do you want to show me? You have a tree with some irrigation. You've got an outdoor grill area. This is a storage shed. And they have this beautiful stonework done all throughout the property. I mean, because otherwise this would just be dirt. And you've also got great views of the mountain over there.
Also big enough for you to do a cartwheel.
Oh, wow. So this, Kelly, can you lift this lid up for me? Do you think what do you think's under there? A hot tub?
I don't know.
Oh, it's a fire pit. Wow.
That's really cool.
And then over here, you've got these beautiful, probably call it 8-foot bamboo fence. That is a beautiful, beautiful fence. So you've got all this area to work with. And nice irrigation, lighting. This is a waterfall area. A lot of the trees are labeled as well, showing you exactly what they are. And if you look in the listing, you will see a lot of pictures that show all of this in the spring and summertime, which is beautiful. So just came on the market for $525,000. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Let me know if you want to take a look or call them.